Hey y'all, welcome back to the kitchen again for another episode of What's Cooking with the Bear. Tonight we're going to do a steak hoagie. What I got here is some leftover sirloin roast. I made it in the crock pot, cooked it. We're going to chop it up, throw it in the frying pan, throw some onion in there, throw some mushroom in there, get that all heated up, warmed up, and so we're going to do that. I do want to say one thing here. When you're cutting meat up like this for a sandwich, if you guys can see this, how the meat, I don't know what you call it now. Anyways, the strings in the meat are going this way. Always cut across them. That way it's good and tender for you to be able to chew up. If you were to cut it long ways, you won't be able to chew that up. So, like on this one here, it kind of goes this way, and then it kind of turns and goes this way. So we're going to cut across it like that a couple times. And we'll just keep going this way here. And this is going to be way more meat than I need for the one sandwich, but I'm going to take one of these suckers for lunch tomorrow, so get this all cut up. Get some heat going on this pan over here. Alright. Now we got that. Now we're going to slice some onion up. You guys can see or not. Yeah, you can, sorta. So break that onion loose and alright. There's that. We got a can of whole mushrooms. I may end up adding more to it than that, just those few mushrooms there. But you guys can see here, that's what we got going on. There it is. I'll find a lid for this pan, and we will let it cook and warm up and get those onions cooked up, and we'll bring you guys back when we're ready to put this sandwich together. Alright, y'all. We got the onions are just about soft enough. I'm going to let them cook just a little bit more. I'm going to throw the lid back on it. And I did go ahead and throw another can of mushrooms in there because, you know, I wanted to. And I went ahead and pre-toasted my bun. So I'm going to throw the lid back on this here for another couple minutes. And we'll bring you back when we're ready to make this sandwich up. Alright, y'all, let's cook for a little bit longer. I'm going to go ahead and layer some of this stuff in here. Oh. Don't drop that goodness. Alright. A few more onions on there. Alright, there's that. Now, I'm going to slide that back out of the way. And we got some provolone cheese to put on here. Lots of provolone cheese. I like mine good and cheesy, so there's that. We're going to go ahead and throw this back under the broiler. I've already got the broiler preheated. Throw this under the broiler and let this cheese melt down here really good. And bring y'all back when we get that done. Alright y'all, just a couple minutes under that broiler under high, and this thing is good to go. We can't get this on a plate here. Grab my knife and kind of poke that stuff back underneath of there. Alright. There you got it, guys. Nice steak hoagie with mushrooms and onions. I'm going to take a bite and let y'all know how it tastes. Good and cheesy. Just the right amount of onion and mushroom in there. Guys, this is super easy. Good leftover meal. Appreciate y'all watching. Hit that like button for me if you like this video. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button and ring the little bell. Get all the notifications we do here in the kitchen, out in the garage, out in the road, wherever we're doing. And I really appreciate it. And as always, if you guys weren't watching them, I wouldn't be making them. We'll catch you all on the next one. Bye.